This is all northbound along Central, just south of Indian School. Now he's heading eastbound, and he just hit some more barricades. Absolutely unbelievable. This guy doesn't care what he hits.
Hi, Scott Barbank up at News Chopper 3. We're following a police chase that's been going on from about the last 30 minutes here. It's this white truck, flatbed truck you see here with the tank. There's about 24 police cars from the Phoenix Police Department along with the Phoenix Firebird police helicopter following this guy. It's unknown at this point what he's wanted for. It all started about 30 minutes ago at 7th Street at McDowell. He did try to ram a police car, and we understand, well, he's pulled over right now. He's about to get out, and it looks like he's starting to run. Got several units of the Phoenix Police on his tail right here. And Jim Stage, it looks like he's going to try to take another vehicle here. We'll see if they'll block him in there. Looks like they've got him blocked in there, but he did get...
We're going to pull out. We don't know what has just happened right there. It looks like the police have closed in on him. We don't know what exactly has transpired between the police. Stay with ABC 15 News. We will bring you more information as we get it. Also, check our website for updates, abc15.com.
We're not sure which helicopters they were.
I am, Mike, and I don't know.
Oh, this is bad. This is very bad up here, Scott. We do have major breaking news. Because of this crash, we have lost 2 helicopters. We're not sure which helicopters are down. There may be PD and also local media helicopters. We're not really quite sure yet, Scott. This is very tragic turn of events right here. We're hoping that these people are okay.
Daniel, are you in a pilot in a safe location right now?
Yes, we are.
All right, Connie,
again, we have a helicopter down. We don't know what agency that helicopter belonged to, but you can see it just went down. The smoke is everywhere.
The people who are actually inside those helicopters could be really good friends of ours.
All right, we're trying to assemble them. Here's what has happened, folks. We picked up a police pursuit.
We do know that there were a number of helicopters following this from different news
stations. And the driver of a white truck led police on a pursuit, and then about 2